If you want to be a YouTuber in 2024, then you will need a professional channel. I will tell you in these 3 steps how to make a professional channel, and I will also tell you about a setting which if you don't set it properly, then YouTube will not give you a rupee even after monetizing your channel. First, you will need a Gmail account. You can also make an account from your old Gmail account. But if you believe me, then make a new one. Because sometimes your old mail is already logged in at many places. So in the future, it will be better if it doesn't get hacked. Try using the new mail. Now you simply have to open YouTube on the desktop side and go to YT Studio. On the left side, you will see the option for setting. Click on it. Then go to the channel and click on Advanced Settings. Below all, you will get the option for Manage YouTube Account. Click on that and YouTube will redirect you to this page in which you will get to see these 3 options. Simply click on the second option, Create a New Channel, but there is a question: when you made a new mail, one channel was closed, we can upload videos there too? Yes, you can. In fact, many people do it, but you have to face a big problem in the future. What problem? I will tell you. First, create a channel. As soon as you click on Create a New Channel, you will come to this page, and from here you can create your brand channel. Simply click on the channel, write the name of your new channel and click on Create. Your question was that we can upload videos on the default channel made from Gmail. The problem is, suppose you have started uploading videos on the default channel and that channel got monetized after some time, but after some time YouTube deleted that channel for XYZ reasons. But the biggest problem comes now: you will never be able to start a YouTube channel from that mail. I will tell you in full detail, so this video will be very long. Then I will tell you about it in another video. Okay, your channel has been created, but now it's time to turn on some important settings. Now the setting that I am going to enable will be of some benefit to you, but also a loss. But before that, I will teach you to enable it. Go to Settings, then go to Channel Feature Eligibility and turn on the Intermediate feature, which you can easily do with your phone number. Just put your phone number here and click on Submit. OTP will come, enter it within 5 or 10 seconds. Your feature will be enabled, but you did not enable this setting properly, so even after monetizing your channel, YouTube will not give you a rupee. You have to come to Advanced Settings, then here in front you will see, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Listen carefully. If your channel is for kids, then click on the first option. But if your channel is not related to kids, then click on the second option. And if your channel is like that you make some videos for kids, then click on the third option. So that whenever you post a video, YouTube will ask you if this video is for kids. In other main settings, which is basic info, simply go to Country and Residency and select the country where you are making your channel. Like I am from USA, so I will select USA. But why have you given the option of keywords here? Yes, you are right. This keyword option ranks your channel. Before that, nowhere is the option to select the category. For that you have to come to Upload Defaults, then Advanced Settings. You default the license option, come to the second option, Category. Suppose you teach to make paper planes on your channel. Which category will your channel be in? Or which category will you select? Whenever I make a channel on which I can teach something, I put it in the education category, and you can easily select it without any doubt. Back to point. Now select the language in which you make your videos and the rest, in the title and description, whichever language you fill it in. Like English, select English. Like if you have a short channel, then these settings will be very beneficial for you. But if your videos are long form, I would say you should fill these settings manually by default. Just put one thing, which is to unlist the video so that no video gets published by mistake. You don't need to change the settings on your channel. You made a channel, but how will you know which mistakes you should avoid as a YouTuber? You can know by watching this video that you can become a better YouTuber by avoiding any mistakes. Thank you for watching.